You don't need me to tell you that for 10,000 years, women have been oppressed. Since the advent of agriculture, when men started to own land, they gave women their name and then needed to pass their land onto an heir. And that's where it all started, exacerbated tenfold, of course, through modern religion. But before that, we lived in tribes where women and men were equal. You know we've been oppressed and repressed. You don't need me to tell you that. What you might not know is that you are meant to experience the full spectrum of human emotion as a woman every day. The world is telling you that to be an acceptable female, you have to be sweet and demure and quiet and peaceful. But you have rage in you, and that's okay, and it needs to be expressed. Otherwise, it just remains stagnant in your energetic body, and like all other repressed emotions, it can metastasize into dis-ease later on. Now, sacred rage is when our rage has purpose, and we open it up through the expression of clean anger. So clean anger aims to resolve, unclean anger aims to hurt. We don't aim to hurt with our rage, we aim to heal ourselves of the thousands of years of repression of our right to rage. So whatever it is that you feel rageful about, please use now as the time to finally express it. You can do this through screaming exercises with your female friends, through ecstatic dance or other movement, through breath work or journaling, or any other medium you feel that allows you that expression of sacred rage. You are entitled to feel it, and you are entitled to express it.